Okay, guys. So we will continue back the part two, okay, of our trigonometry revision class. Okay. So for now, we are going to look at question 13. Okay, soalan 13 lah. Okay, so for question 13, we are actually solving trigo equations. Okay, persamaan trigo. Okay, so for 13A1, guys. Okay, so you can see over here 13A1. So sin x plus 30 equal to 2 cos x. Okay, so over here, which one are you guys going to modify? Kamu akan pergi ubah apa? Okay, of course, you're going to modify the sin x plus 30. Okay, and then 2 cos x, kamu pindah sajalah. Just shift it to the left-hand side. Okay, belah kiri. Okay, so sin x plus 30, you guys expand normally. So it's sin x, okay, cos 30 plus cos x sin 30. Okay, so dia macam ni lah, something like this. Okay, and then cos 30 sin 30, as usual, please refer back the triangle. Okay, kamu kena lihat balik segitiga. Okay, cos 30 sin 30. Okay, so let me go back to the triangle. Okay, so cos 30, you can see that the value should be sec 3 over 2, and sin 30, the value should be half. Okay, basic ratio lah. All right, so now, where is it? Okay, this one. Okay, so you just need to substitute the formula and then shift the 2 cos x to the left hand side, bawa yang ni ke belah kiri, and then right hand side equal to 0. Okay, belah kanan sama dengan kosong. Okay, so you will get this equation, and then the next step is when you have sine and cos in one equation, remember you can always use the concept tangent equal to sine divided by cos. Okay, so you shift all the cos to one side, ke sebelah kanan. Okay, pindah semua ke sebelah kanan, and then you can find sin x over cos x. Okay, so sin x over cos x, you will have 3 over 2, and then bahagi sec 3 over 2. Okay, so you will get the answer which is sec 3. Okay, sec 3. Okay, all right. And then since tangent x equal to sec 3, so it's positive, right? So nilai positive tangent confirm is quadrant 1 and also quadrant 3. Okay, so when you find the reference angle sec 3 shift tangent, you should get 60. Okay, so means that 60, 60. Okay, so kamu boleh ukur sudut lah. You can start to measure the angle. So first angle 60, second angle 180 plus 60. Okay, that's why the answer is 60 and also 240. Okay, boleh faham? Do you all understand the working? So this is how you solve for question A1. Okay, and then question A2. Okay, so you have 2 secant. Okay, and also 5 secant. Okay, so over here you need to express both lah. Kamu kena ungkapkan. So guys, secant we actually don't have addition formula. Am I right? Untuk secant ni kita tak ada rumus penambahan. Jadi, kamu kena tukarlah guna identity. So secant x plus 60, you can use the identity equal to 1 over cos x plus 60. And also secant x minus 20, you can use the identity, guna identity dia, okay, 1 over cos x minus 20. So this is how you can change them. Tukar dia macam ni, and then you can start to cross multiply. Okay, darab silang. Okay, so you can see over here, darab silang. Okay, cross multiply, and then you start to expand. Okay, kembangkan belah kiri dan belah kanan. Left hand side, right hand side. Okay, so for cos, recall, okay, the expansion is something like this. Okay, so it's equal to cos A, cos B, and then minus plus. For cos is opposite guys, selalu bertentangan. Sin A, sin B. So inilah pengembangan dia lah. Okay, this is the expansion. Okay, and then you just substitute the value, gantikan nilai. Okay, so for cos 20 and sin 20, you don't have a special angle. Tak ada sudut khas yang boleh wujud kat segitiga. So you guys just substitute the value only lah. Okay, gantikan saja nilai dari calculator. Okay, just press calculator to a certain decimal place lah. Over here, 3 decimal place enough. 3 tempat perpuluhan cukup. And then cos 60, sin 60, I think you guys know already lah, how to use the triangle. Okay, kamu boleh guna sudut. Okay, so you get half answer 3/2. And then same concept, if you have cos and sine in one equation, dua-dua ni dalam satu persamaan, you guys must just group it. Okay, bagi dia sama lah. So all the cos, kamu kumpul satu belah, all the sine kumpul satu belah. You make it all together. Okay, so the concept is sine bahagi cos equal to 0.621 over 5.014. So you will get tangent x. Okay, so tangent x positive, again quadrant 1, quadrant 3. Okay, so shift tangent, okay, 0.1239. So sudut rujukan, this is your reference angle, and this one also reference angle. Okay, so first angle confirm is your quadrant 1 answer, sukuan pertama punya jawapan, and the second angle is 180 plus reference angle, sudut rujukan. Okay, so that's why your two answer is like this. Okay, boleh dapat? Are you clear for question 2, guys? I think should be clear, right? So this is the concept. And then for question number 3, soalan ketiga. Okay, so you have this one, guys. Okay, so this one look very complex, right? Nampak sangat susah kan? But if you guys notice, this is the format of your addition formula for tangent. Okay, rumus penambahan tangent. So you guys can actually simplify this, permudahkan macam ni. Okay, you can simplify to get this equation. Tangent x plus 15 equal to 2. Sama dengan 2. Okay, so from here you can actually this shift tangent 2. Okay, so 2 positive, so again quadrant 1, quadrant 3, so 2 possible answer, 2 jawapan. Okay, so you will have the reference angle should be 63.43 lah. Okay, sudut rujukan 63.43. Okay, so over here also 63.43. Okay, so macam ni lah. And then you guys start to measure the angle. Okay, mula ukur sudut, so first angle, second angle. Okay, so the answer is, okay, so you must remember the angles over here are for x plus 15 guys. Sudut dia untuk x tambah 15. So you need to minus 15. Kena tolak 15 untuk cari nilai x yang sebenar. Okay, so your actual x value should get 48.43 and also 228.43. Okay, so that's the answers. All right. So for question B, soalan B, they ask you to solve the following equation also. And this is the range, julat. So sekarang kamu kena bagi jawapan dalam unit radian. You must give answer in radian mode. All right. Okay, so first equation is this one. Macam ni. So of course, you're going to use the addition formula for cos. Guna rumus penambahan bagi cos. So same concept. So when you expand, bila kembangkan akan dapat macam ni. Okay, and then you guys sub the value. So pi over 4 is 45 degrees, 45 darjah. So this is one of the special angle, sudut khas. So always remember guys, the special angle is 30, 45, 60. Tiga saja. Only 3 special angle. Okay, so you just substitute lah cos 45, 1/2, sin 45, 1/2, rujuk segitiga. And then you shift all the sign to one side. Okay, bawa semua sign ke belah kiri. All to the left hand side, cos all on the right hand side, and same concept. Okay, sine over cos equal to tangent. So tangent positive sekali lagi, quadrant 1, quadrant 3. So kuan 1 dan 3. Alright, so you will get the reference angle, okay, is 17.7. Okay, so this is your reference angle, sudut rujukan. Okay, wait, 17.77, 17.77. Okay, so same concept, how you measure the angle, guys. Macam mana ukur? Okay, for quadrant 1, just take the reference angle. So, kuan 1 ambil sudut rujukan, 17.77. And then the other one, quadrant 3, 180 plus 17.77. Okay, so your answer should get this one lah. Okay, 0.0987 pi. Or you can write as 0.3102, right? Okay, guys. You can choose to leave your answer in term of pi like this. Boleh tinggalkan jawapan dalam sebutan pi ataupun kamu darab nilai pi masuk dan cari jawapan. Okay, you find the answer by times 3.142. Okay, also can. Kamu pilih mana-mana lah. By question say give your answer in term of pi, bagi jawapan dalam sebutan pi, then kamu memang kena tulis simbol pi dalam jawapan in your answer lah. So you just follow the question. Okay, ikut soalan 100%. Alright. Okay, so this is for question B1. And then for question B2, B2, okay, so for B2, you guys going to solve this equation. Okay, so again, same concept. You see the addition formula, rumus penambahan. Okay, so you need to use the formula one more time. Okay, sekali lagi. Okay, so you can see over here. Okay, so you apply the formula, guna rumus. Okay, and then you must simplify. Okay, so tangent 45, the answer is actually 1. Okay, tangent 45 sama dengan 1. You can refer the triangle just now. Okay, lihat segitiga. Okay, this will be your triangle. Okay, 45, 45, 1, 1, 1. Okay, so the answer is 1 lah, 1. Okay, opposite over adjacent. Bertentangan bahagi bersebelahan. Okay, so this one is just 1, 1. So you will get like this. And then you expand, kembangkan. Okay, so you expand the 1 plus tangent x to all of the term. Okay, kembangkan 1 plus tangent x kepada semua sebutan. So you will realize you will get a quadratic equation, persamaan kuadratik, and you can carry out the factorization. Okay, buat pemfaktoran biasa. Okay, so tangent x, sorry. Okay, you will have 2 tangent x minus 1 and tangent x plus 3. Okay, inilah pemfaktoran kamu, your factorization. Okay, then you just solve the equation lah. Okay, selesaikan persamaan. So you will get tangent x is 0.5 and also negative 3. Okay, so over here, you're going to have 4 answer lah, 4 jawapan. Alright, okay, because you have positive and negative tangent. So you can first find the reference angle lah. So sudut rujukan for 0.5, reference angle is 26.57. Okay, so tangent positive, quadrant 1, quadrant 3, 26.57, 26.57. Okay, so this is the first angle, this is the second angle. Okay, sudut kedua. Okay, so you will have 26.57 and 180 tambah 26.57. Okay, and then if negative 3, your reference angle is actually 71.57. Sudut rujukan. So tangent negative, quadrant 2, quadrant 4. So 71.57, 71.57. So how you find the angle? Macam mana cari sudut dia, guys? You take 180 minus 71.57 and 360 minus 71.57. Okay, so jawapan dia akan dapat semua yang ni lah. All of these are your angles. So you arrange in ascending order, susun dalam urutan menaik dan tukarkan darjah kepada radian. Okay, just convert all your answer to radian format. So this is your answers. Okay, and then for question 3, soalan ketiga. Okay, so this one, you notice that, soalan ketiga is this one. Okay, tangent 5x equal to tangent 2x. Okay, so this one, you must be smart, guys. Always try to simplify the more complex equation. Okay, pemudahkan yang lebih susah. So guys, 5x, you can actually break it down to become 2x plus 3x. Okay, kita boleh pecahkan 5x equal to 2x plus 3x. Okay, so then you can apply the addition formula for tangent over here. Guna rumus penambahan sahaja. Alright, so you will get this equation and then darab silang, cross multiply, and then you will see that you finally can factorize, guys. Kamu boleh faktorkan. Okay, can you see here, guys? Tangent 3x, tangent 3x. Okay, so kamu boleh faktorkan, factorize it out. Okay, so you will get 2 possible answer lah. 2 jawapan. So always make the right hand side equal to 0. Okay, bagi kanan tu sama dengan kosong. Okay, so if tangent 3x equal to 0, so you can have many x value lah. Ada ramai banyak nilai x. Okay, but of course you must follow the range. Kena ikut julat. So 0 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2 pi. So 0 less than or equal to 3x, less than equal to 6 pi. So your limit can go until 6 pi only. Hard kamu. Maximum value of 3x. Okay, so means that you just divide 3 lah to all your answer. Bagi semua jawapan dengan 3. Okay, alright. So next one, 1 plus tangent square x, tangent square 2x equals 0. So guys, tangent 2x equals square root negative 1. Guys, do we have a value for square root negative 1? Adakah kita ada nilai macam ni? Tak ada. If we call this number as imaginary number. Okay, nombor imajinasi. I equal to square root negative 1. So this is no solution. Tak ada penyelesaian. So basically your answers are only from the first equation. Dari persamaan pertama sahaja. Okay? Are you clear guys? So this is question number 13. Soalan ke-13. Alright? Okay, so next. Question number 14. Soalan 14. Okay, so question 14 is more on application. Okay? Aplikasi harian. So, they are asking you to calculate the gravitational acceleration ke Kuala Lumpur. Okay, nak cari pecutan graviti di Kuala Lumpur. So guys, for those who take physics, you guys will know lah that the gravitational acceleration is around 9.81 lah, 9.81. Okay, this is a fact lah of the world. Okay, ini adalah fakta about nilai G. Okay, so how do we actually calculate this? Macam mana kira yang ni guys? Okay, so of course you must know what is your angle lah guys. Kamu kena tahu theta kamu. So guys, this one you can actually search internet. Don't worry. Okay, so Kuala Lumpur, I give you all the answer lah. Okay, the latitude is actually 3.1390 degrees north or utara. Okay, so you can actually substitute theta equal to you have to substitute in degree ya guys. Kamu kena gantikan dalam darjah. Okay, so over here you can find sine 3.1390. Okay, cari nilai dia. Okay, and then you find sine 2 times 3.1390 square, the answer. So just gantikan saja. Theta equal to 3.1390. Okay, usually exam they won't ask you like this lah. Takkan tanya macam ni. So all of this you guys just press calculator lah. Then you can get the answer D. Boleh dapat jawapan. Okay, so yeah, you just need to be careful when you press calculator. Whenever you have sine, your mode must always be degree, darjah. Okay, because sine can only apply with degree beside. Okay, radian tak boleh guys, remember. Okay, so you will get 9.78 ms negative 2. All right. Okay, so next one. They ask you determine the latitude when the gravitational acceleration is maximum. Nak cari bila pecutan graviti itu maximum. So guys, how to make G maximum? Common sense. Sin theta kena maximum jugalah. So guys, when is your sin theta maximum? When theta sama dengan 90 kan? Okay, because the maximum value of sine function is always 1. Nilai maksimum fungsi sine selalu 1. Tak boleh lebih for sine theta. So that's why theta can be 0 or theta can also be 90 degrees lah. Okay, 90 atau kosong. These are the two values when your sine theta is maximum. Alright, so you can see over here, you just need to substitute 0, gantikan kosong dalam theta, and gantikan 90 in theta. So then you count the answer. Cari dua jawapan. Okay, so you will get 9.78 and also 9.83. Okay, so from here you can conclude that the gravitational acceleration is maximum when theta equal to 90 degrees north or 90 degrees south, utara atau selatan. Okay, so you must understand that 0 degrees also mean 90 degrees, 90 darjah. Okay, you cannot say 0 degrees, guys. 0 degrees and 90 degrees, basically they are telling you it is opposite lah to each other. Okay, opposite pole. North pole, south pole. Kutub utara, kutub selatan. Okay, that's why you have 0 and 90. Okay, kosong dan 90. Okay, so this is question 14. Okay, so second last question. Okay, so for question 15, guys, they're asking you to find the area of triangle OPQ. Okay, kamu kena cari luas dia, guys. Okay, so how? And then they ask you to show this one lah. Okay, so they give you hint tadi. You just need to use this formula. Kena guna rumus ni saja. Okay, so first step, you want to find OPQ, right? So very simple. OPQ macam mana? You can use half AB sin C. So half QO PO sin. What is the angle, guys? Sudut ni saja. Only QOP angle. So QOP angle is A minus B. Okay, so this is your expression lah, ungkapan. So it's half sin A minus B. So this is the concept for your area. Okay, but how do we show this equation? Macam mana nak tunjuk yang ni? Okay, so you need to use another formula that you guys learn for area. You guys learn Form 4 Chapter 7, right? Coordinate geometry, geometry coordinate. So you can use that formula. So you just use all the coordinates. Okay, guna semua coordinate. So P coordinate you have, Q coordinate you have, O is 0, 0 lah, origin or asalan. Okay, so you can use the half modulus formula. Okay, can you see here? You just apply the formula lah. So the most important thing is that you must start and end with the same coordinate. Okay, kena mula dan akhir dengan coordinate sama. Okay, so then you guys can use the shoelace method. Okay, guna kaedah ikat tali kasut. Okay, so up times bottom minus bottom times up. Okay, so you will get this answer. Okay, inilah jawapan kamu. Okay, so guys, now we have two equation guys. So what can I do? I can equalize. Saya boleh samakan. Am I right guys? Because both of it is talking about the area of OPQ. Okay, kedua-dua bincangkan luas OPQ. So means that I can equalize, samakan. Okay, so when you equalize, you guys will actually get the answer. Okay, so half and half boleh potong. So you can direct compare, bandingkan. So sin A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Okay, so this is the answer guys. Ini jawapan dia. Alright, so this is for question 15. Soalan ke-15. Alright, so now we come to the last question. Soalan terakhir. Okay, so for this question, they are basically asking you to draw graphs and prove the identity. Okay, kamu kena buktikan dan lukis graph. Okay, so this one here, we don't care about the software lah guys. Kita tak lihat perisian. We just see the concept, how to draw the graph. Alright. Okay, so first graph that you need to plot is 1 over tangent x plus cotangent x. Alright, so how to plot the graph? Okay, so maybe you can try to draw this graph lah guys. Kamu boleh lukis yang ni. Okay, it's much easier. Lebih senang. So again, the same concept as I told you, try to find the points that you can plot. So can you see guys? You just need to draw the table of values. Okay, guna jadual nilai saja. Okay, so you can see you can plot 0, pi over 4, pi, 3 over 2 pi, semua nilai ni. So just draw the table like this. X, Y, 0, pi over 4, and then pi over 2, and then what else? 3 over 2 pi, and then pi. And then sambung lagi. Okay, 3 over 2 pi, 2 pi, semua. Okay, you can continue also. 3 over 2 pi, and 2 pi. Okay, this one is 3 over 4 pi, not 3 over 2 pi. Okay, 3 over 4. Okay, guys, then you guys just tekan calculator inside your equation, this equation over here, and then find the answer. Cari nilai dia. Okay, are you clear, guys? Boleh dapat? Okay, so how do we actually prove, guys? Macam mana boleh buktikan? How do we actually prove the equation? Okay, so if you see this equation, I'm going to start from the left hand side. Okay, dari sebelah kiri. Okay, because the left hand side look more complex. Okay, lebih bahagian kiri tu lebih susah. Okay, so basically I'm going to change tangent x and cotangent x. So guys, you know right? Tangent x is sin x over cos x. Cotangent x is cos x over sin x. Okay, so you just need to combine these two fractions. Okay, gabung dua-dua pecahan jadi satu pecahan tunggal. Okay, so you will see this whole value is 1, right? So you can get the answer D. Okay, so the answer is cos x sin x. That's all. Itu saja. So the main concept here is you try to start from the harder side. Mula dari sisi yang lebih susah. Alright? Okay, next one. So you want to prove this one, guys. Kamu nak buktikan yang B pula. Okay, so how do we... Okay, first, we must draw the graph. Okay, lukis graph yang ni. Okay, usually in SPM, don't worry. They won't ask you to draw this kind of graph. Okay, kamu tak perlu lukis yang ni. Okay, so... apa nak kata? Okay, so you don't worry. SPM won't ask this kind of graph because this one we are using computer software. Okay, so jangan risau lah. You guys no need to really understand how this graph is because it's very complex. Okay, but still you guys can use calculator, no worries. Okay, and then plot the table So you know secant x is 1 over cos x, right? And then minus 1 over sin x. So you can again just substitute all the basic angle, gantikan sudut-sudut asas, okay, dalam rumus dia. Okay, and then you can actually count the y value and plot the graph. Okay, just letak beberapa nilai pun dah cukup. Okay, just a few point enough already. Okay, then you can get this graph. Okay, but of course this kind of complex graph software is better lah. Okay, kamu guna perisian macam GeoGebra, you know GeoGebra, right? They can help you to graph all of these complex trigo equation. So this can help you lah, software. Okay, okay, so we focus on the proving part, guys. Bahagian buktikan. So this one, guys, of course we are going to start from this side lah. Kita nak mula dari sisi yang lebih susah. Okay, so left hand side is of course harder. Okay, so you're going to start from here, and same concept, tangent x, I can use the identity sin x over cos x, and cotangent x, I use the identity cos x over sin x. Okay, so again, whenever you see two fraction guys, in trigo, dua pecahan, selalu gabungkan mereka bentuk pecahan tunggal. Combine them to form single fraction. Always this is the concept. Okay, so now you can see that sin square x plus cos square x, 1. Kamu dapat satu. So guys, you will get the equation something like this. Okay, I split these two lah, saya pisahkan. Okay, sorry. This one is minus sign guys. Got problem in the answer scheme, ada silap. Okay, so now you can see that your answer will get secant x minus cosecant x. You cut the similar term up and down. Okay, potong yang sama, atas bawah. Okay, so 1 over cos x, secant x. 1 over sin x, cosecant x. So kamu dah buktikan. Okay, you already proven the equation. Okay, the proving part is not hard, guys. Tak susah. You guys must just get the correct idea. Kena ada idea yang betul. Okay, so the last one. So this question, they ask you to show this equation, guys. Kamu kena tunjukkan yang ni pula. Alright, wait. Okay, so for this one, okay, the graph part, don't worry too much. Okay, I just show you all lah how the graph look like. Okay, so ini bentuk graph dia. Okay, this one. Okay, so this is how the graph will look like. Okay, so you can actually plot from here lah, boleh guna yang ni, lebih senang. Okay, so you can see 1 point, 2 points, 3 point, 4 point, all these point you can plot, guys. Kamu boleh plot semua titik yang ni. Just plot as many point as you can, and you can already get the shape. Boleh dapat bentuk. Okay, so now the proving part, guys. So the proving part, which side are you going to start from? Kamu nak mula dari bahagian mana? Which side? Left hand side or right hand side? Bahagian kiri atau bahagian kanan? Okay, so of course the more complex one is the one with fraction lah. Yang lebih susah tu adalah dengan pecahan. Okay, so of course you start to change lah. So cotangent x, I can use identity 1 over tangent x. Tangent x kekal. Don't change tangent x. Okay, because you need to see what is your final answer. You want to get something with cos and sin, right? So you can maintain tangent. Because tangent you can get cos and sin pada akhirnya. Okay, so again, same concept. You see similar, you see two fraction, right? Combine them to form a single fraction. Bentuk pecahan tunggal. Okay, so over here you see you can cancel off tangent x. Potong saja. Okay, so you left with 1 minus tangent square x over 1 plus tangent square x. So 1 plus tangent square x, secant square x. Okay, so you can use the identity. Guna identity saja. Okay, so then you can split the fraction. Pecahkan dia. So you will get 1 over secant square x. Okay, so tangent square x is actually sin square x over cos square x. So this is the concept. Okay, so you will actually get cos square x. Okay, 1 over secant square x is cos square x. And then your 1 over secant square x. Okay, this one you guys can write like this. Boleh tulis macam ni. If you guys get confused on it. Okay, so it's actually you can break down. Boleh pecahkan macam ni. So all these ideas, right, guys, must flow in your mind during the exam. Okay, kamu kena ada idea macam ni. Alright? Okay, so 1 over secant square x, you get cos square x lah on top. Okay, so now guys, can you see that you already get the answer? Dah dapat jawapan? Cos square x up, cos square x down. you can cut, boleh potong. Okay, so you finally get the answer, cos square x minus sin square x, which is your right hand side, sebelah kanan. Okay, so you can see the conclusion lah. Okay, all of these are the proving. Okay, so basically you guys don't need to remember every single proving. Tak perlu ingat semua soalan buktikan dalam trigo because there are hundreds and thousands of proving. So it's impossible to memorize all the proving of trigo in this world. You must just attempt the question on the spot. Try your best. Kena cuba untuk buat pada hari itu sajalah, because confirm you will see a question that you never see that proving before. Tak pernah nampak buktikan macam tu. So you guys need to try out and ever lah, trial and error until you get the answer. Sometimes one method you try to prove don't work, tak berlaku. So never mind, try again, cuba lagi. Okay, confirm at one point when you try out exercise 1, you will know what is the step you need to use to solve the proving question. More exercise, lebih banyak latihan. That is the most important concept over here in the proving. Okay, so remember that proving that there is actually many methods. There is not only one method to get the answer. So don't worry if your method does not follow answer scheme, tak ikut schema, it's okay. As long as you can get the final answer and your method is logic, valid, okay, jawapan kamu boleh diterima dari sudut matematik, correct. No problem. Proving got many methods to solve. Even though it's just one question like this, there's not only one method. Tak ada satu cara saja. But the concept is you guys must always choose the fastest method. Pilih kaedah yang boleh selesaikan dengan paling pantas. So that you'll spend less time lah on this question and you can solve other question in your AdMaths. Alright? Okay, so this is the end for your trigonometry chapter, aka the hardest chapter in AdMaths lah. Okay, bab yang paling susah. So hopefully I have made this chapter easier lah for you guys to understand better in the exam. All right. So thank you very much for listening to the revision class, and hopefully it helped you for your AdMaths exam. Okay. Bye bye.